In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a project to Asana using a CSV, Excel, or Google Sheets file. This can be particularly helpful if you're transitioning from another project management tool or have data stored elsewhere that you want to integrate into Asana. Let's dive right into the steps to make this process as seamless as possible for you. First, you need to navigate to Asana. Open your browser and go to asana.com, then log into your account. If you're already logged in, you should land on your home screen where you can see your dashboard and ongoing projects. From here, look towards the top section where you'll find a plus or create button. Click on it. This initiates the process of starting a new project in Asana. Once you've hit create, you'll be met with a new set of options. Look for the project option and give it a click. This action means that we're setting up a framework to import your data into a new project format. Asana will guide you through the process, so don't worry about making a mistake. Next, you need to click on the import option, which you'll find on the screen. Asana offers several import options, allowing you to bring your related documents and data effortlessly into the platform. Selecting import takes you further into the setup where we'll specify which file you want to import. Now it's time to name your project. Think of a name that's clear and concise, reflecting the project's content or goal. Once you've done that, there's a prompt on screen to select file to import. Clicking on this will open a dialog box on your computer, letting you browse your computer files. Make sure that your file is in CSV, Excel, or Google Sheets format, as Asana supports these. After selecting Select File to Import, you will need to choose the actual file from your computer. Navigate through your folders and locate the exact CSV, Excel, or Google Sheets file you wish to import. Click on it, then hit Open. This is a critical moment because you're pointing Asana to the specific document you want to use in your new project. Finally, once the file is chosen, Asana will start to import the data. Patience is key here, as the system processes your file and translates it into a usable project format on Asana. Follow any additional prompts if they appear on your screen, as they might help refine the data import by aligning columns or setting fields correctly. And there you have it, a straightforward way to import your projects into Asana from external spreadsheets. By following these steps carefully, you'll ensure all your valuable data is integrated smoothly, allowing you to continue managing tasks effectively within Asana. Thank you for watching and happy planning!